Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be demonstrating on how to draw a cartoon character while sharing the techniques I've learned along the way. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in checking out my podcast episode, you'll find the link in the description box below. To get started, grab a piece of paper or any other medium like a sketchbook. Make sure to sharpen your pencil, and if you prefer, you can use a lead pencil. For my drawing today, I'll be making a famous character called Stitch, and I'll be using a 2B pencil for that. So let's begin. So basically, I'm looking at my reference image, and I'm just studying the overall shapes and how the ears have been made and everything. So to get started, what you will do is first you'll draw a guide. So draw a circle, okay, just a basic circle, doesn't have to be perfect. Then you will guide as to where the eye placement will be, and then the nose placement. So this is some of the techniques I learned, and now it's time to begin. Now you will draw very lightly at first because you want to make sure that you trace whatever you're drawing, make sure you draw it lightly. So let's start with the face shape. So drawing an oval type of shape, you will want to, the reason I left space here is because we're going to be adding those little hair details. So first of all, we're just going to, even if the shape is really bad, we're going to be erasing these lines, don't worry, once we start tracing and all that. Just getting the basic shapes and starting off in a way, because we're going to be going back anyway, and then just fixing up any little shapes that we need to do. Next, we're going to start with the eyebrows. So kind of come here and draw in your eyebrows. And even if you made a mistake, you can always come back and just erase that line and whatever you have. So we will now take that eyebrow line that we've created and then just draw a eye patch on one end, and then the other end you'll do the same thing. You'll draw a little eye patch, and then within that eye patch we're going to sketch out, it's like the shape of the eye is like a leaf shape, so you'll create a leaf shape on both ends. Now your drawing doesn't have to be perfect because you don't have to really get, as long as if you know the exact shapes and all, that's good. So sometimes my drawing doesn't come out the way it should have been, but I just sort of do that. I just go back with my pencil just to fix up any shapes before I start tracing or whatever it is. And don't worry, because you want to be able to come back. My 2D pencil is a bit on the darker side, but I'm trying my best to make it light as possible. So now that we've got the basic shapes, I'm just going to, and don't worry, we're gonna come back to it later. Sometimes I even run out of space to draw the mouth and everything, but don't worry. We are just here, I'm just here to show you the techniques that I learned throughout, and somehow, like, I love drawing, I really enjoy it, but since I got my tools and everything online, I will be sharing that with you very soon, using the same character, but I'll be drawing it digitally in my upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, okay, so now we're drawing the ears. So you want to really kind of just go ahead and Just draw the ear shape. Even if it's not perfect, it's fine, to be honest, because you don't want it to... I'm just here to just show you a demonstration of how this is going to look like, and also make sure that you've got... And they almost look like little like bunny ears. But yeah, you want to get sort of the basic structure of the shape. All right, and now we can move on to the arms, but I was just planning to show you the technique on how to draw Leo and Stitch. But this is a Stitch. He's a very cute character. They even have a live movie coming out soon. So yeah, and there you have it. This is Leo. This is Stitch from the Leo and Stitch film. And don't worry about being it perfect, because I was just showing you the techniques that I learned and how to draw the eyes. So you can come back and fix up any little details you want to. You can maybe go back and fix the eyes and all that. So this is sort of the basic idea that I wanted to give you on how to draw cartoon characters. You can draw portraits as well, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please hit the subscription